YouTube, welcome back. So today I just paint my 2012 Prius roof and also the side view mirrors and then the rear tail. So first of all, the top of the mirror was all peeling or clear coat, and then the paint was all gone. And on the roof, it was pretty bad. I think my son was driving behind a truck or something. Like the whole bunch, this side is like all black and peeling. And so is the other side. And for this one, it was all faded. And the rear wing was pretty bad. So I used a cheap Walmart paint. And then I used an expensive clear coat. Yeah. Sometimes your thumb get tired or your finger get tired and it tend to block the trigger and you get the spotty paint on there. Next time I'm going to buy the one that you can have a trigger and hold it at the same time, because when you keep on pressing like this, you get tired and I had to use my thumb. So I got my fan going on right now because it's pretty stinky and smelly. I'm not sure why it's spotty like that, because after I spray the clear coat it becomes like that. Maybe some overspray. And this is the mirror. So I got the paint from Home Depot. It was like at first I was looking at the, I think 10 ounce or 12 ounce. It was like $4 something. So I bought the big bottle, $10.99 for I think 22 ounce. So it's cheaper. I think it's cheaper. Let me check. So those are the Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Enamel 15-minute fast dry any angle spray. Let me zoom in. And it's a metallic silver. And those are the Ultra Cover, Clear Coat, Seal Protect. So this is the clear coat that I use. Seal Protect and Revitalize. Also bound to plastic, wood, metal, plastic and more. So yeah, I wear my goggle and then a mask in order to paint it. Also I will be dying inside the garage. Alright, so I'm going to take out everything and hopefully it matches the color. If not, then that's the best I could do, because if you get the custom paint that match your car, it's going to be very expensive. Alright YouTube, so after I clean up looks pretty nice. Although I touched with my fingerprint, it was still wet. I was trying to wipe it clean, and it got on the shouldn't touch it. Anyway, probably water scented. See another one right here. Overall, still pretty satisfied. This is a mirror. I don't know. Before I did not paint it, the clear coat is more metallic silver. Let me show you before the cracked line and stuff. So before it was like this. I'm not sure if I can see it, but it was more rough, not smooth like this. Better than nothing. This is some of the glue. I need to take it off on the tape. I should have used a painter's tape, but those are too expensive. So I used masking tape. So I painted right here. This is without the clear coat, and it is more shinier or more silver than the one that's on top. Well, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.